So my name is Bhumika Patel. I'm a general dentist and I work here at William Place in Docklands. And I've been a dentist for 10 years, nearly 11. So I decided to go into the medical field because I've always had a really big passion for people, but also a big passion for science. And so naturally that would take you towards medicine. But when I started looking into my options, I realized that actually with dentistry, we're in a really unique position because we get to help people with their health and combine those things. But your mouth is more than just your health. It affects so many different things. There's such a big connection to your mouth and your general health, but then also your mouth and your confidence and just other wider aspects of life. I think with dentistry more than medicine, you get to follow your patients through. So you get to see them go from being young children into teenagers as adults, and you see the transition in life. And we're just in a really nice position that we really get to know people. So that's what I enjoy. So I love the variety that we get within dentistry, but specifically with restorative and endodontic treatment. That's something that I love doing because with all the knowledge that we have, we can provide really, really predictable results. Life is really stressful already in so many ways. And I love that your teeth don't have to be if we follow the right steps and provide the right treatment. And I love doing it in a way that makes the patient feel at ease because most people are scared of the dentist. There are so many links to, like I said, your health and your mouth. It's nice that we can treat the person as a whole. The other interest I have is in treating snoring and sleep apnea. With sleep apnea, of course, if we don't treat it, it has a lot of long-term detrimental effects on your health. And it's nice that we can sort that out in quite a minimally invasive way, like without surgery and things, if that's the right option. But more specifically with snoring, I've suffered in the past with partners that snore, and it's really, really difficult to get a good night's sleep. And more now we know how important a good night's sleep is just to our well-being. And it's so easy for me to solve those issues for patients, but it makes such a massive difference in their life. And that's why I enjoy doing those things. What I find most rewarding, I think there's two aspects to it. Number one is just getting to know the individuals that I'm working with and tailoring things in a way that works for them. But I think, of course, for the most rewarding, I would say, is being able to relieve someone of their pain. Dental pain is like one of the worst pains that you can experience, and to know that we can relieve it so effectively and ease the difficulty that someone's having is really rewarding. I think my patients value most about me is two things. Firstly, that the way I explain things to them, I think I'm really good at doing it in a way that makes sense to them. But then also the way we build a plan together, because I get to know my patients so well, it's really easy for us to work together to build a specific plan that suits their needs and their wider life and things like that. I think I'm also really good at making people feel relaxed, which again, like I said, dentistry is quite a stressful and anxiety-inducing thing for a lot of people. So just to be able to do what needs to be done to keep them happy and healthy, but in just a quite a smooth way. Like I said, I'm a people person. So what I value most about my patients is just getting them in and getting to know them and connecting with them and just being able to build this really strong relationship together that just serves both of us so well. I think there's two. The first one will probably be that prevention is better than cure with most things in health and wellness. And the second thing is, it's not really a catchphrase, but I just love that I can work together with my patients to just keep them happy and healthy. That's always the goal.